Mega shout out. Mega shout out. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And for today's video guys, again, it's been a while that we haven't done any videos unboxing our favorite videos. So this one I ordered. Actually guys, I forgot that I have a order in one of the online shop that I love to order before. So it arrives just an hour ago. So we will do another unboxing guys. I forgot what's inside really. But I will show you again, disclaimer, this is not to brag what I order, but I just want to show the world, the universe. Anyway, so let's do the unboxing. Go. Okay, I have here how okay. Oh, okay. I have here, what's this? A pair of dress. Okay, I remember now. Very nice. So this is the t-shirt. Yeah. This is the t-shirt I ordered. And this is the short. So these are pair of short and the dress. Okay. So I order, this is now I realize and I love it. The color wise I really love. Okay. Next is jacket. Why I ordered this one? The winter is almost finished. My goodness. But anyway, when I saw this one guys, I really love the color. And let's outfit check. Let's check if this one is. Oh, see, look. This is really the I ordered. I hope inside is not. I really hate this kind of clothes, guys, because this will be, if you will be wearing a t-shirt, then it will be attached here. So, but anyway, I love the color and this one, yes. And what's really inside box? Anyway, this is what I really love. Let's start talking. I don't know, how is it? Hold me the way you get started. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Well, I really love the color guys. Oh my goodness. Anyway, this is it. And then the third one, let me check. Oh, it's a toy. It's a toy. Let me check for the toy. Yeah, I like the toy, the color. On this one. But anyway, this is all what I've got. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Spread love and positivity. For those who are not yet a subscriber for my channel, please do hit the notification bell, like and subscribe so you will be able to be updated for my next vlog. Thank you so much. Spread love and positivity. Pure Stone Heart. Love you. Mwah. So guys, this is what I order. So hello everyone. This is what I order. Look. A hoodie jacket. Yes. It's brown and then black. And here's the catch, guys. Okay. See? Look the design. It's very cool. Yeah. It's very cool. I really love it. And this is the t-shirt, guys. I ordered the t-shirt. The color, the combination.